Hello everyone. In this session, we will see the solution of linear equation involving integrating factor. The question is solve one by y cube is equal to. Hello everyone. In this session, we'll see a question on solution of a linear equation which involves integrating factor. So the question is solve dy by dx plus 1 by 3y equal to e to the power of x y 4. Now we have seen this as Bernoulli's equation, where the general expression was given and we were trying to find the equation for that. So it was given like y dash plus, let's say, p times of y is equal to q times of y to the power of n, and we had to assume u or any other factor u equal to y to the power of one minus n, right? And the system changes to u dash plus 1 minus n times of p into u is equal to 1 minus n times of q, right? So in this case, if you see or if you observe, you'll see that this n is nothing but n is equal to 4, right? N is equal to 4 here, and we can say let u is equal to y to the power of 1 minus 4, which will be minus 3, and this equation will then reduce to, in terms of u, it will reduce to u dash plus, so 1 minus 4, so this is minus 3 into 1 by 3, which is the value of p here. This is the p and this is the q. So into u is equal to 1 by 3, sorry, simply minus 3 into e to the power of x, which is q here. So we have converted this equation into this form now, which is u dash minus u equal to minus 3 e to the power of x, and we are back to the linear equation in the form of Leibniz equation, right? So now we can see that, let's say it is new p, so p is equal to is minus 1 and q is equal to minus 3 e to the power of x, right? Now first of all, let's try to find what is integrating factor. This will be integration of e to the power of px p dx, so this is minus 1 dx, and this becomes e to the power of minus x. So this is the integrating factor, which means the solution is going to be u into integrating factor equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx and plus some constant c. So this is u into e to the power of minus x equal to integration of, now what is q? It is minus 3 into e to the power of x, and q is this and the integrating factor is e to the power of minus x dx plus some constant c. So this e to the power x and minus x will get cancelled. We will be left with minus 3. So the integration is going to be minus 3 integration is going to be minus 3x plus some constant c, u equal to e to the power of minus x. So this can be written as u is equal to 1 by e to the power of x and c minus 3x or minus 3x plus c. So this is nothing but, from here we can see that u is equal to 1 by y cube. So we'll write 1 by y cube is equal to, if you want you can write minus x into minus 3x plus c. Probably the solution may be written in this standard form. So this is the solution for this case, right? And this is how we have to do it. So we had to reduce the equation into the standard form.